Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth product reviews. In today's episode, we're going to take a closer look at the Macally Backlit Mac keyboard wired. This keyboard promises to be quiet, sleek, and compatible with Apple devices, making it a fantastic choice for Mac users. The Macally Backlit Mac keyboard comes in a sleek and stylish silver color. It's made by Mace Group Inc., known for their quality peripherals. The keyboard features a low-profile design, which not only looks great but also feels comfortable during extended use. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its white LED backlighting. It offers 3 brightness levels, making it suitable for various lighting conditions. Whether you're working in a dimly lit room or just love the aesthetic of backlit keys, this keyboard has you covered. Mac users will appreciate the 107-key Apple layout, which includes 16 macOS shortcut keys. Typing on your MacBook or iMac with this keyboard provides a familiar and seamless experience. It's designed specifically for Mac users, so you won't have to worry about compatibility issues. Setting up this keyboard is a breeze. Simply plug the 5-feet USB-A cable into your Mac, and you're ready to type. It's a perfect solution for replacing your iMac or MacBook keyboard if needed. The keyboard is lightweight and easy to transport, making it ideal for on-the-go professionals. Not only does this keyboard improve your workflow, but it also adds a touch of elegance to your workspace. Its silver color complements Apple's design aesthetics, creating a clean and minimalistic setup. It pairs beautifully with your other silver Apple accessories. Macally stands behind its products, offering lifetime support and up to 2 years of warranty with this keyboard. This commitment to customer satisfaction provides peace of mind for users. You can find this Macally Backlit Mac keyboard wired on Amazon at a discounted price of $49.99, down from the list price of $59.99. It's eligible for free returns and includes product support. In conclusion, the Macally Backlit Mac keyboard wired is a fantastic choice for Mac users. Its sleek design, backlit keys, and Mac-specific layout make it a valuable addition to any Mac setup. With a reasonable price point and excellent warranty and support, it's a keyboard worth considering for your workspace. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.